Asuntoyhtiö Pitkäkoivu.
This is the first elevator here. It's very amazing. MP8 and late 1971 was built, turning 50 years old this year, 2021 years. Vääränkoivuntie 2, and it's the only staircase in this residential building. Yes, so 1971 indeed. The serial number is H25746 with 10 floors. The ground floor is the main floor, and there's also a floor U, which is the attic floor or 9th floor, but U instead. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Oh, that's spare parts, but not replacement. Lamps are working here even. Amazing. Not all of these earliest have it working.
Yeah.
Probably put some memory because there's 10 floors.
Yeah.
There are stop and alarm buttons as SB and P6.
Yeah.
Here. Very beautiful, I think.
Yeah.
Some different lakes here, lots of flowers. So there's the sauna here.
Yeah.
But it was since 7th of March last year it was sold. So it hasn't been opened yet. At least not for now.
Yeah.
Although this says here that you can open the door when it's the sauna time. It's probably not still in use, I don't know. But I forgot it. I mean, this is a very amazing surprise that it's original. Yeah, maybe probably more original ones here.
Yeah.
And was this one the one with 6 buildings? Or?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. There may be all 6 now. Let's see.
Or
let's see.
Yeah. Or wife or something. I don't know.
Let's see if all of them are calling or if it's government.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Kone security also.
Yeah. 6 buildings.
Yeah. So this is the one that has 6 buildings.
Yeah.
Alright.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Otis Owner Descriptis.
I think maybe it was not so far from having been pop out, maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe this was summer 1971, you know.
Yeah.
If it was, then this is like exactly 50 years ago now.
Yeah.
But it still doesn't feel like 50, it feels more like 40.
Yeah.
Or 45. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And let's explore all the other elevators here and in Valkeakoski.
That's